way to the sandbar at Lake James. If you guys have seen any of my other videos, you'll see this is the same place that we went to last year. I mean, we've been going to the sandbar as long as I can remember. It's our favorite place to hang out during the summer because we always run into friends, see other family and stuff there too. If you guys haven't been there before, I hope this video will at least convince you to give it a try. Go ahead and like and subscribe too if you want to see more of this stuff. Enjoy.
Right. Well, honestly, this is why I love the lake. It's perfect out here. I hope you liked the video. Go ahead and check out some of my other ones too, and don't forget to like and subscribe.